back with another video, and I wanted to share this package from Mommy Lhey Designs. It is the Little Bits kit from April. I believe it's sold out, but I accidentally bought this. So I put myself on a no buy, and I was like, oh, I want some digital images because I got obsessed with like cute images, and I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna get digital images because I got a printer. Now, now that I have a printer, I can print out stuff, whereas before I couldn't. And then so I came upon Mommy Lhey, and I never usually go on here because I haven't done the planner thing for a while, but then Joe's been into traveler's notebooks, and I'm like, that looks exciting because it's not really a planner, it's like different. So anyways, I accidentally bought this, and it is like way better than I had imagined because I just got it because I like the digital images with the kit, and it already came with like stuff like that. But when I opened it, it was like so much more because I didn't really pay attention. And you can subscribe to it. I just got the one-time thing, and but you can do like a monthly thing. So I'm gonna share what's inside. And sorry I haven't been making videos. I was planning to, but I just had some crazy upload situations, and I finally figured out how to save my files so they don't take 8 hours to upload, because it was taking like 6 hours and it was killing me. So I finally figured that situation out. So when you open the box, it looks like this. It's super cute, and then it comes with like a little postcard, and then on the back it has like the code so you can pull your digital images, which is cool, and I can't wait to do that. I haven't looked at it yet, but it's like super cute. Look at this. Like I said, this box was like way better than I had imagined. And then it comes with this, and I already opened it and looked at stuff, but it comes with, I'll just show you what it comes with just so you guys know what's in these boxes. So it comes in a little bag, and then there's like this super cute unicorn pen, really cute. Okay, you can't take that out. And then it comes with, I'll just pull it from the order, and then it comes with this cute washi tape. And like I said, I didn't do much research on it, but it's like, this is like way better than I had imagined. Now I totally want to do the traveler's notebook thing, even though I don't know all about it. So I guess I'll have to do research. I swear, all the things I haven't crafted for like almost 2 years. Like, I've just been making cards. So all the things now that I'm discovering that I want to do are like 2-year-old crafting things. So it also comes with these, and I love how everything is packaged so nice. These are die cuts. So I don't believe they're adhesive, but I'll double check. Yeah, I don't think they are. But here are the die cuts, super cute. Oh my gosh, I love the one that got me to get the kit was the macarons one, and of course this one, the unicorn boba. Oh my goodness, so cute. I just wanted to show you everything because I was like completely and utterly just totally impressed with everything. So I don't want to make this video super long, so I'll show you my favorites. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh yay, I think I got 2 of these. Yay, so cute. And then I love the rainbow ones, super cute. And then the unicorns and the boba unicorn. Oh my gosh, so adorable. So those are the die cuts, and I can't wait to make something because it's like all color coordinated for you, and I love when that happens. And then a really cute charm for your traveler's notebook, and then it even comes with a stamp set. So this is like $40. It's like not bad. You just get a lot of like stuff, and I love everything. That's like sometimes the reason why I hesitate to get the boxes, because you might not like everything, but I do like everything in this kit. This is probably post-it notes or like a notepad, and then this has like bookmarks, and they're really adorable, but you can use them as tags and things. So cute. And it's like good paper too. It's like coated. And then these, I believe, are like planner stickers, but they're so cute. I keep saying it's so cute, but it's so cute. And then it has like a holographic treatment, and it's really adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. I was just really impressed with this kit. Yay! They have the mermaid one next, but I told myself, like, I'm seriously on a no buy. I'm gonna resist the mermaid one, and then it comes, I'm gonna show you the traveler's notebook last, and then it comes with a bag. Adorable. And then I think these are specialty stickers. I haven't opened this one yet. Okay, cute. So this has the holographic treatment. Adorable. And then it has papers. So I think this has like transparency type things, which I think people make dashboards with and stuff. There's like a heart one and a flower one, floral. And I love how everything's packaged and nothing was damaged or anything when it came. Yes, so this is a vellum piece. Really cute. And then here's a transparency. I love transparencies. And then it comes with 6 papers. And it was totally just like this, and it didn't even wrinkle or anything. This is my favorite one. It's like so magical and it's like adorable. And then, see, what side am I going to use, you guys? Like, should I use this side or this side? It's like really hard. And then it came with this. Oh my goodness. See how cute? And then I love these macarons. Adorable. And then, so what I didn't know that it came with was a traveler's notebook, which I don't have one, and I think these are, I don't know how much these cost, but the whole kit was $40, and then it came with this, and it is legit. It is so nice. I don't know what material it is, but it smells like leather. At least it smells like it. And then it's adorable. It's in that design that I like. Let me open it. So this is what I love it. And then it comes with inserts. I think that's what it's called. I believe it comes with 2 inserts, it says. Okay. 2 inserts, like really nice. And then, yes. And then I think you could hang this thing on it. So I'm gonna try that right now because I've been dying to do it, but I also wanted to make the video also and not have everything like pawed through. But I love these, and I'm so obsessed with tassels, but I feel like it's like so last year, but I like love them. Okay, so I think I saw on Instagram that you can hang it on here, but I could be wrong. Okay, I don't know. Okay, maybe on here, this one, let's see. Okay, we might be having technical difficulties, but I will figure it out. Okay, so this I don't think goes on here. So maybe you just put it through this loop thing. Yes, so cute. Okay, I'm dying. It's adorable. So that is the Mommy Lhey biscuits. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I was like so impressed, and I really loved that it came with this traveler's notebook because I really didn't know that it was going to come with one. I just thought it was going to come with stickers and things like that. So that is it. I hope to see you guys soon. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm really active on Instagram because it's so easy to upload, and I do IG stories every day. At least I try to. Like of stuff I'm doing, like stuff I'm eating, like just stuff that I'm doing, and like, you know, complaining about my messy craft room, but it's actually neat right now because I cleaned it. And then that's it. I'm gonna try to make more videos since I know how to save them now. Because I have like I had a new camera like a year ago, and I finally figured out how to save it. So I've just been dealing with this equipment, so I finally figured it out. But I totally miss you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm there a lot. But I'm going to try to like rev this YouTube channel up again. So I will see you guys next time, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.